Today we are at 5447 South Neva Avenue in Chicago, Illinois. Today we're going to be performing an attempted shingle repair on this shingle right here, labeled shingle 1. Above shingle 1, we have 2 shingles. In order for us to remove shingle 1, we must remove these 2 shingles due to the fact that these shingles are nailed also into shingle 1. So in order for us to remove shingle 1, we must remove these 2 shingles. So we're going to begin our attempted repair starting at this end and work our way down to the end of the shingle. So we will now begin. As you can see, we have minor granulate loss all along the edge. You can see on this tab right here, these granulates, you can see them all falling off, and we have a puncture in that tab right there. As you can see, in the process of trying to unseal this tab right here on shingle 1, there was a tear. You can see all of that granulate loss at the bottom, and I did see a puncture as well. There was a puncture, but I lost it. So now, just on shingle 1 alone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points of failure on shingle 1 alone. We will now work our way up to shingle 2 and begin the process of trying to unseal the shingle. So as gentle as I can be, the shingle is tearing apart. We have 2 minor tears right there. One is a puncture, one is a tear. And it doesn't matter how gentle I go, the shingle is gonna puncture right there. Work our way down to the end of shingle 2 and begin trying to unseal it. And as you can see in the process, we have 2 punctures, one right there and one right there. So on shingle 2 alone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points of failure on shingle 2 alone. Now we're going to work our way onto shingle 3. We're going to start this at the end, and we're going to work our way to the other end. So now, again, I can go as gentle as possible, but in order for me to remove the shingle, I have to unseal right here. So even as you can see, all of that granulate loss at the bottom. Some minor granule loss right there. And as you can see, the shingle tore a bit right there, and we have some granule loss. And I'm actually going to end the attempted repair right there, because this attempted repair on the garage has failed as well. We have, on shingle 1 alone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On shingle 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10 in total. And on shingle 3, we have 1, 2. And I didn't even finish the shingle. This attempted repair has failed. We have 12 points of failure. We will no longer proceed. This shingle is non-repairable.